There are 3 tools that come up in almost every video edit, and honestly, they're incredibly simple. Cut, trim, and split. Today, I'm not just going to explain these with theory. I'm going to show you on a real, raw video in real time. This is a completely unplanned home video, and we're going to turn it into something clean and professional using nothing but these 3 tools. Let's look at what we're working with. In the first clip, a woman takes a mug from the cabinet, but there are unnecessary static moments at the start and the end. In the second clip, she pours water from the kettle, but right in the middle, there's an odd, awkward pause. She gets distracted for a second. And in the third clip, she walks toward the table, but she stands still a little too long before moving. All 3 clips are good footage. They just need some structure. Let's start with trim. At the beginning of clip 1, she isn't moving yet. We don't need that. I'll click on the clip, grab the left edge, and drag it inward, right up to where the motion actually begins. I'll do the same thing at the end. She's just standing there holding the mug, so I'll trim that off too. Now the clip is just the action, with no extra waiting. Now to clip 2, where the real problem is. While she's pouring, she suddenly pauses and looks away. That's an awkward moment we don't need. To remove it, we need split first. I'll move my playhead to the exact point the pause begins and press S. Then I'll move to where the pause ends and press S again. Now that moment is its own separate piece. I'll select it and press Delete. Gone. And CapCut automatically closes the gap. This exact process, splitting and then deleting, is what we call cutting. And finally, clip 3. Before she starts walking, she stands still for a few seconds. The same kind of problem we already fixed once. So the solution is the same. Trim. I'll grab the left edge and drag it in until the clip starts right as she begins walking. Let's look at the result. Three separate clips, each with a small issue, now combined into one smooth, continuous video. No unnecessary waiting, no awkward pauses. Just trim, split, and delete. Nothing else. Before we finish, 3 quick tips. 1. Press S to split instantly without touching the toolbar. 2. Hold Shift while dragging a clip so it snaps perfectly against the next one. 3. Always zoom into your timeline using Control and your scroll wheel before making a precise cut. You'll really notice the difference. And that's cut, trim, and split. The foundation of pretty much every video edit you'll ever make. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to add text and captions that actually look professional. If this helped you, consider subscribing. It really does help this channel grow. See you in the next one.